If you ended up 2025 without a skill or a low-paying skill and you are looking for a new skill to learn in 2026, then make sure you are choosing it from these top 5 digital skills that have been tested and trusted to generate high income, less competitive, and very high in demand. Now, these digital skills are definitely going to be putting food on your table throughout 2026 if you are serious with it. Now, without any further ado, let's go there. What's up, guys? My name is Solomon Chooks and this is Solo Communications. Here we teach you different ways you can make money online, including affiliate marketing, content creation, digital marketing, and many more. We also go as far as testing platforms that promises to pay you, and if they work, we bring it down here for you to try out and make some money for yourself. Now, if these are the type of content you would like to consume, then all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and smash the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we drop contents like this. Now, in this video, I'm going to be telling you the top 5 digital skills that have been tested and trusted to actually make people much more money in 2026. The last one pays highest and very easy to learn. Now, in no order, I'm going to be telling you the skills and explaining them to you. Now, the first skill is AI content creation. Now, this is where you help brands, content creators, businesses generate content using AI. Right now, let's talk about it. AI didn't actually replace people. People replace people who don't know how to use AI. So if you know how to use AI, you are definitely going to be making a whole lot of money for yourself. Either through people who don't know how to use AI, like brands and businesses or creators who don't know how to use it. And they are going to be paying you for helping them deliver the jobs they can't do for themselves. Now, what are the things you are going to learn when you go for AI content creation? Number one is writing powerful AI prompts for brands or people. All right, now this is where you help them to write prompts because you know how to, prompt engineering. You have learned how to prompt AI very well, or a particular AI very well. Then you are going to be delivering that for them. Number two is automating YouTube videos, email, blogs, and the rest of them. So if you know how to use AI to automate systems or create systems, then especially people who are doing YouTube automation, they are definitely going to be hiring you to actually do that for them. Number three is how to use ChatGPT, Claude AI, Sora AI, and all this AI that helps enhance productivity. People are going to be needing you so much in 2026. Number four is how to turn ideas into several contents. All right, it's called ideation using AI. Ordinary ChatGPT can do that. I know you are going to say that people know how to do it. No, people do not actually know how to do it that much. All right, people are going to be hiring you to help them do that. Now, who are the ones to be hiring you if you have this skill? They include YouTubers, e-commerce business owners, coaches, online businesses, and so on. Now, with this skill, your income is estimated to be between $500 and $5,000, depending on the type of clients you are able to be attracting. Now, the next skill on the list is short form video editing. Now, this one is very, very high in demand because brands are rushing into social media, all right? Because they know that is where they are going to be getting visibilities from currently, but they don't know how to edit their videos. So if you know how to use common tool as common as CapCut, then you are good to go. Don't be scared to present yourself as an editor. All you need to do for yourself is to actually run around to enhance your skills, maybe using YouTube videos and the rest of them. Now, talking about that, if you want me to direct you on a particular YouTube videos to help you learn these skills, please let me know in the comment section. So, short-form video editing is very high in demand. You are going to be helping them edit videos for Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube Shorts. You are going to be making a whole lot of money for that. Now, who are the people going to be hiring you for this skill? They include brands, influencers, local business, and coaches. Even more, a lot of people are definitely going to be hiring you for that. Now, what are you going to be learning in this skill? Editing viral content, editing viral hooks, captioning and subtitles. It's not just about editing video. These are skills that you can help them deliver. And the last one here is growth strategy. You can be helping them with strategies to help them grow on social media. All right, these are the things you are going to be learning in this course. So, estimated income monthly for a beginner should be between $30 to maybe $200. And then for somebody who has built a brand as an editor, we are looking towards from $100 to maybe $8,000 and thereabout. Now, the third skill on the list is digital product creation. All right, this one made me a lot of money in 2025. In short, this has been making me money even as I'm talking to you. And right now in this video, there are chances that it's going to make me money. Now, what is digital product creation? Now, this is where you create a digital product like ebook, templates, anything digital that can be accessed using a digital tool or gadgets, tab, and the rest of them. All right, people need it. So those things, those skills you have, please learn how to record it or try to use AI to convert them into a book or even type them into an ebook, convert them into PDF, and start selling them. You're definitely going to be making a whole lot of money from there. All right. So if you learn how to create your own digital products, maybe it doesn't matter what you know how to do, be it how to cook, how to jump up, how to slap people, whatever it is you know how to do. Now, with this skill, you're definitely going to be making a whole lot of money from there because you're going to be packaging it. And the amazing thing is that you create one product and make money from it for the rest of your life. That is amazing. In this skills, you can also learn how to set up sales pages. Now, what is a sales page? Sales page is a page that actually describes a product and collects payment for the product. All right, it describes the product and tries to convince the viewer to actually buy the product. All right, that is what the sales page does. And with these skills, brands, coaches, online business owners, digital course creators, and the rest of them are going to be hiring you to actually design the sales page for them. All right, so what are you going to be learning in this skill? Number one is how to turn skills into a digital product. The second thing you're going to be learning is how to create a sales page, like I said. The third thing is how to create a payment setup, all right, automated payment system. All right, fourth is automated delivery, how to help them deliver the product when someone pays automatically. The fourth is emails and WhatsApp funnels. Right? I would rather call it email marketing. That is it. And I think it should include lead generation, how to help creators and the rest of them generate leads for their business. All right. So this is a very hot in demand skill. In short, it will keep being in demand until the end of digital era, until the end of tech. It must be in demand because every creative, every business, every influencer, every brand needs an online sales system. All right. That is what I mean. Now, before I tell you the fourth one, if what I'm doing here is making sense to you, please come to the comment section and say, Solo, you did make sense. And remember, if you want me to actually make a video on where to learn these skills for totally free, please let me know in the comment section. And trust me, in my next video, if I see enough comments, I'm going to be making a video telling you where you are going to be learning these skills for totally free. Now, before I round up with these digital product skills, listen, you don't need millions of followers to actually start making money from this. In short, this is one of those skills you can without spending a dime. All right, you just need to know a particular problem you want to solve, and then you offer the solution. That is it, and you are good to go. It can be in written form or in video form or in audio form. So pick up your phone, open your recorder, and start doing that immediately. Now, the monthly income for this skill is unlimited. You can make depending on the number of sales you are able to generate and your sales system. If you are using paid ads, then you can't compare it to somebody that is using organic sales system. All right, so let's say between $500 to maybe $5,000, $10,000 per month. Yes, that is obtainable depending on your level of expertise and the quality of your sales system. Now, the fourth one is high ticket closing or client acquisition. Now, this is where you help brands, businesses, freelancers, and the rest of them get clients or even close deals for them. Right now, this is going to be paying you a lot because there are brands, there are freelancers that are looking for clients everywhere, and they pay you a particular percentage for each client you generate for them or get for them. Now, this skill is very, very underrated, but trust me, it is paying people behind the scene, and they are making a whole lot of money from there. Remember, skills don't pay people, clients pay people. So someone who knows what he's doing will actually pay any amount to people who have the skill of generating clients. So what are the skills you are going to be learning from this? You are definitely going to be learning how to find clients, how to pitch, that is how to pitch a product or a service, how to close deals, and lastly, how to retain a client. Now, brands are ready to pay you, including real estates, they are ready to pay you massive income for this particular skill. Estimated income per month. Now, this is actually unlimited because you are in charge. Effort determines what you earn, and the type of product you're selling determines what you earn. If you are selling a product of $10,000 and your commission or your payment is $2,000, that is your income. So you are in charge. You are not selling a particular thing. You are in charge of the system, so you can make as much as you are able to make. Before I tell you the last on the list, have you subscribed to this channel? I don't know what you're waiting for. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please rush now and click on the subscribe button and then smash the bell icon so you will be notified whenever we drop contents like this. And this year we're going to be dropping content every week for you so that you learn the skills that we are talking about properly from us here at Solo Communications. If this is the type of content you want, please, I beg you in the name of God, share this video. That is the only way you can motivate us to do more for you. All right, now let's get to the last on the list. Let's go there. Now, the last on list is YouTube automation. This is the one I said that is the easiest and pays a lot more than almost all of them. Yes, with YouTube automation, you can hustle for yourself and make money for yourself using the skill. and you can also get paid by other creatives for actually helping them do one of those things you are doing on your own, right? So if you are able to go learn it properly, you are definitely going to be killing it. Till date, YouTube remains the highest paying platform, and if you are still wasting time to jump on it, then you are not serious with your life at all right? And what is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is where you create YouTube content without showing your face and automate it to run without you being there. That is the automation there. So you don't need to be there making the videos, putting your face on camera and the rest of them for the video to be generated. That is YouTube automation, and this is paying people a whole lot of money in 2025. If you have not joined up, please do that immediately. This particular skill, I'm rendering a private coaching on it. I repeat, private coaching, not a course, where I'll teach you one-on-one on how this is done. So in simple terms, it is called faceless YouTube automation or faceless YouTube content creation. I don't know how they call it, but it's just faceless content creation, all right? This is Solo Communications. Here we teach you real life skills that is going to help you make money for the rest of your life. It's not what is going to pay you today and not pay you tomorrow. We don't do that here. We don't scam people. We don't tell you things that are not real. We make sure we tell you things that are real, that are going to pay you for the rest of your life. If these are the content you would like to consume, then please click on the subscribe button, share this video, please. That is the only way you motivate us, so you get notified anytime we drop contents like this. And also say something nice in the comment section, especially if you would want me to make a video on where to learn these skills for totally free. So what are the things you are going to be learning when you go for this YouTube automation skill? Number one, niche research, all right? This is where you help creatives, YouTube automation creators, or YouTubers make research on a particular niche they need to go into. Because it's not about starting YouTube automation, it's about starting YouTube automation on the right niche that is actually working as at the time you want to join up. So we are going to be learning script writing with AI. This is amazing. Remember, it is automation, so AI is definitely needed. You're definitely going to be learning how to write the script using AI. Voice over generation. Now, this voiceover can either be human or AI generated. If you are good with voicing, you are good to go. You learn how to use your voice to make voiceovers for these people, or you can learn how to use AI, 11 Labs and the rest of them, TTS and the rest of them, to generate realistic voiceovers for their content, and you are good to go. Now, the next one is video editing. Now, this one requires a less effort in video editing. It just requires very simple elementary level of editing because AI has done all the job for you, all right? Now, the last but not the least is the SEO research. This is where you help them do the optimization for their content when they are done with the video generation. You see, this is a whole lot of high in demand skills packed up in one, all right? If this is it for you, please rush now and get started with it. YouTube automation for yourself, and you can be rendering the skills for other creatives. Who are the ones in need of these skills? Like you yourself, you are in need of it. Now, story channels, documentary channels, motivational channels, fact and history channels, and the rest of them. Mostly all these channels that can be done facelessly. So what are the estimated monthly income you can make from this? Now, from this skill, you can make as much as $1,000 to maybe $10,000, $15,000 through YouTube automation, right? You can make less when you are just starting, maybe immediately after your monetization. Now, if you're rendering it as a service, that is where you make the big bucks, right? While your own is as well growing up, right? The amazing thing is that YouTube automation, you can even learn it from YouTube. If you are smart enough, you can learn it from YouTube. But if you actually want to go deep into it, I would like you to actually get someone to teach you. Like personally, I do a private coaching on YouTube automation, but that is not why we are here. So this is where we are going to be ending it up for today. This is Solo Communications. Here we teach you different ways you can make money online, including affiliate marketing, content creation, digital marketing. Now, if everything I said today made sense to you, please come to the comment section and say, Solo, did they make sense? If you want me to make a video on where and how to learn these skills for free, a platform that will teach you these skills for free, please just comment the particular skill you want to learn in the comment section. I'm going to make a video on where to learn each of the skills in my next video. Trust me, I'm going to do that if I get enough comments on the skills. And please, this is where we are going to be rounding it up today. This is Solo Communications. Here we teach you different ways you can make money online, including affiliate marketing, content creation, digital marketing. And here we test a platform that promises to pay you. If they work, we bring it down here for you to try them and make some money for yourself. So this is what we do, and this is what we are going to be doing for you throughout this year. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next one. I'm Solomon Chooks. I sign out.